Picture this. A dog barks at you. Most people ignore it. Some walk away. But at some point in history, one absolute legend looked that dog in the eyes and barked back. Why? Was it a joke? A challenge? Or was it actually the smartest thing to do? It sounds ridiculous, but humans have been copying animal sounds for tens of thousands of years. Long before language became sophisticated, our ancestors imitated wolves, birds, and other animals while hunting, communicating, and even teaching children. Barking wasn't necessarily strange, it was a survival skill. Then dogs entered the story. Around 15,000 to 30,000 years ago, wolves slowly became our companions. Living side by side meant humans constantly learned dog behavior. And anyone who's owned a dog knows the temptation is almost impossible to resist. The dog barks. You bark back. Sometimes the dog looks confused. Sometimes it barks louder. Congratulations. You've just started the oldest pointless conversation in human history. Scientists have even found that dogs react differently to human voices that imitate barking. They recognize familiar tones, pay closer attention, and sometimes answer as if you're actually trying to communicate. So who was the first person to bark at a dog? We'll never know their name. But somewhere in prehistory, one human made the first woof. The dog answered. And humanity has been having that completely unproductive argument ever since.